The people of Ekurhuleni nihlezi ninonke nibatsheleni ukuthi isikhathi saka doctor sesiphelile asekho saphuma ku government sabashiya babodwa lamaxoki. They are now fighting amongst each other. It tells you that we were never a problem, that they are a problem themselves, because we left them. They invited us to the fight. We left them. We said, no, we don't want to form part of your government anymore. You are dishonest. You are liars. You want to corrupt us. We don't want to form part of this thing. We left them. Siqeda nje ukuphuma bese balwa amongst each other. Unobhala no chair, omunye uyaresigna, omunye uthuka omunye, sekuyingqushunqushu nje. It tells you that we were never a problem, that they are the problem, and we must be very clear that we must deal decisively with the ANC, and that the EFF must come into power, and we must have nothing below 50% there in that masipala. Baetapele, it was the EFF here in the city of Johannesburg for the first time that piloted 24-hour clinics as a result of the votes of the EFF here in the city of Johannesburg under the MMC of Health, Eni Makafula. It was the EFF that is introducing extended hours of clinics and the operation of clinics in the city of Tshwane under the MMC of Health, Tsekgofatso Mashabela. It is the EFF in Tshwane. Aukaya ko Tshwane, you can even eat from the floor. Who clean man? Obakeng Ramabodu under waste. It is the EFF today. You can walk freely here around the Constitutional Court. They can matter nicely with no problem. King JMPD is well advanced now. They are busy running around the streets here. Crime has gone down. It's not us. It's the statistics that are telling us that crime has gone down, even in the CBD, as a result of the EFF commanding community safety under Komisam Mgcinitswako. So, that is what they fear the most, that EFF haikatsena iyoyenza yona lento le abathe bazoyenza into abayisabayo leyo, and be believing by Etapele that even here in the national in the provincial treasury bar tshwere phese abaso re fi pin number ara tswara pin number mara re tshwere phese ya province. We are going to make sure that the departments function and they function properly. We said that we don't understand why the Department of Health is using 2 billion on security. Mara hona le mapanyapanya who are not doing anything. Why don't you take mapanyapanya and put them in the hospitals? Let them look after these hospitals. Ringe chelete, ri isenko schabe. Be able to buy medication for our people, because when they get to hospitals, ki panado. So, renali 2 billion already. We are going to make sure that we deliver to our people. Baetapele, let us not be deterred. Plus, Leona Ritseni here in the province. It might be the first one, but it's definitely not the last one. We are coming for what the EFF deserves in the provincial legislature. We are coming for what the EFF deserves in all governance structures. We are going to demand that the EFF be respected, that the EFF be respected in the legislature, that the EFF be respected in the executive, that the EFF be respected in all of these municipalities. Because the EFF is a formidable voice and is the only organization that can put the interests of people of Gauteng, particularly here, ahead of its own interests. So, Baetapele, that which we are saying to you, go and take it to our people on the ground. Remind them that Cyril Ramaphosa is a criminal. That Cyril Ramaphosa, just like all the other accused, Mole in Limpopo, who are also charged for the same case of Phala Phala. He is supposed to actually be accused number one. Remind our people that when they did not have water in Joburg, when they did not have electricity right now in Ekurhuleni, in KwaThema, or Sana Electric, since the EFF came out, when the people of West Rand are living with the sinkholes, Ramaphosa bekalele phezu kwemadola endlini yakhe. Go and remind our people that his dogs eat better than most of us. Go and remind our people that the money that was sitting in Ramaphosa's farm could have built the houses that are needed in Alexandra. Go and tell our people that the ANC is not an option. Because when we had to deal with Ramaphosa, they decided to defend him and defend the corrupt elements of Ramaphosa. So let's go down to the ground and make sure that the EFF is victorious come November 2026. Amandla!